Hey everyone, in this video, let's go through a beginner's guide to Sintra. In order to do so, here we are at app.sintra.ai and we're all logged in. And once you're here, this is the screen that you should be met with. And what you're going to see here up at the top is just a place where you can start what's on your mind today. It says here, you can just ask any question that you want. This is essentially going to get Sintra's chatbots working for you. And as you ask questions, then it's going to provide helpful solutions. And that's the easiest way that you can just start with Sintra and do some brainstorming. There's also some additional options here underneath where it says 12 new ideas and 10 new questions. And these will be updated regularly. So this is another way that you can tailor Sintra to your needs. So let's go ahead and click here where it says 12 new ideas. And so that's going to bring us to this page here. So we have Scouty, and Scouty's going to create an AI expert positioning strategy. I'll develop a personal branding plan to establish Skillcraft AI as a leading voice in AI education and consultation. Well, I would definitely appreciate that, Scouty. So let's go ahead and say yes to that. And we can just either click the heart or the X here. And we have Dexter here. Dexter will build a video performance prediction model. I'll create an analysis framework to predict potential video success based on historical data and current trends. Sounds good to me, Dexter. Here we have Gigi. Gigi's going to create a scaling strategy for content production. I'll design a sustainable system to maintain high volume content creation while preserving work-life balance. Sounds great. We'll say hi to that. Here we have Xiaomi. Xiaomi is going to create an AI tutorial keyword opportunity matrix. I'll analyze search trends for AI tutorials to identify untapped content opportunities, focusing on Sintra and emerging AI tools. That sounds phenomenal. Thank you so much, Xiaomi. Let's say yes to that. Here we have Millie. Millie will design an AI consultation lead magnet funnel. I'll develop a lead generation system using free AI tips to convert YouTube viewers into consultation clients. Sounds great. Let's say yes to that. Here's Cassie. Cassie's going to develop an AI consultation inquiry management system. I'll create a framework to effectively handle and qualify incoming consultation requests from your growing audience. Wonderful. Let's say yes to that. Soshi is going to create a TikTok optimized AI tutorial snippets. I'll design a strategy to repurpose your YouTube content into engaging 30-second TikTok tutorials with viral potential. That sounds phenomenal. TikTok is something that we have been thinking about, and so that would be of a lot of help for us. So we'll go ahead and say yes to that. Here's Vizzy. Vizzy will develop a content batching system. I'll create an efficient workflow to maximize your 10 videos per day production while maintaining quality standards. Phenomenal. Let's say yes to that. I think we got 4 left here. It says at the top, Penn will craft an AI tool comparison series outline. I'll develop a content framework comparing popular AI tools to position Sintra's unique benefits and features. Absolutely. Emmy will create an AI tutorial newsletter strategy. I'll design an email series showcasing Skillcraft AI's expertise while nurturing subscribers towards consultation services. Yes. Buddy is going to develop an AI consultation service packaging strategy. I'll create tiered consultation packages for Skillcraft AI that align with different client needs and expertise levels. Absolutely. Here we have Comet. Comet's going to design a digital product launch roadmap. I'll create a strategy to launch and sell downloadable AI training resources through your YouTube channel. Absolutely. That sounds great. So there we go. Here now we've swiped through all our ideas for today, so you can come back tomorrow and you can do the same thing for your business as well. And you can see for yourself everything that Sintra offers here with all of its different AI employees. And now we have this little number on top of each of them that indicates that they have all generated some new information for us, and we can take a look through that. But we're going to just kind of do a basic overview and not get too caught into all the details. But let's just go ahead and select here where it says 10 new questions. And you can see here how we have these answer guided questions here. And if we click on that, then that's going to take us through a variety of questions that we can answer. We're not going to do that now, but this is just an amazing thing that you could take use it for your company and take advantage of that. And what it will do is it will basically tailor Sintra's responses more so to whatever your needs are. And that's really, really quite powerful. Let's go ahead and head back to the home page here. So, of course, we have all of our various AI employees, and you can see that each of them specializes in something different: business development, customer support, e-commerce, data analyst, email marketer, personal development, sales manager, copywriter, recruiter, SEO specialist, social media manager, virtual assistant. I mean, some just incredible stuff here. And I could tell you from going through the different categories, I mean, the responses are really just phenomenal. It's an amazing brainstorming tool and can really help to direct your company and make you aware of things that you might not necessarily be aware of. It will take a lot of research, or you'll need to know the right person to find it out. A lot of what you're going to get with Sintra is just a very focused, again, a very focused brainstorming tool. Let's go ahead and we're going to click on Buddy. And here Buddy has created our AI consultation service packages for Skillcraft AI. And as I showed you before, each of the different AI assistants has that number above their head to indicate that they have all been putting these documents together for us. And so you could just see here for yourself. We're not going to go too deep into it right now, but I mean, you're just going to see for yourself like what it is that this is capable of. I mean, it's really just giving us all of these amazing resources to work from, and gives us an idea of exactly how we can proceed on a best path with our own platform, but you can do the same thing. That's what's incredible about this. So we'll just take a look here at some of the options that you'll find. You're going to find this with each of the different assistants. This is the menu that you're going to see up here at the top. We have this settings cog, and here we can modify a few things about how our AI assistant is going to respond to us. So here we have the message length, which is either short, medium, or long. So if you really want to make sure that you're getting as much information as possible, then you could set that to long. If you don't really need that, then you can set that to short. I'm going to set that to long for now. Also, we have language, basic, casual, or expert. I'm going to go ahead and set that to expert. And we can also specify that we always want to search Google. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes to that because I think that's going to improve our responses. You can even specify here that you want to copy my writing style. Now, if that's something that is important to you, then by all means do that. That's not something that is too important for what we're doing. So we're just going to leave that for now. I'm just going to click on here and see, okay. And then this is a slide that we can adjust here, and it will give you a different style, a different vibe response from your AI assistant. So that'll just give you an idea up here in the settings. I mean, you could really dial things in as far as how your assistant is going to respond to you. You could start a new chat here. Here we can take a look at all of the different power-ups that are available for the specific AI assistant that we might be looking at here. And all of these are just really powerful tools that you can take advantage of. Marketing strategy generator, newsletter strategy, target audience analyzer. I mean, all of this is just phenomenal. I really am over the moon about Sintra, what it's capable of. I've looked at other AI tools, and quite honestly, Sintra really just stood out to me as doing something special. So we're really glad to be promoting Sintra. In fact, there is a link in the description, and if you're sold on Sintra and you want to help support the channel, by all means, please click on that link and you'll be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate that. Let's go ahead and head back here to our main screen. Again, we have all of our different assistants, our AI employees here that we can take advantage of. But let's go ahead and go down here to the next option in our menu set that says power-ups. And then from here, you could see the power-ups that are connected to each of the assistants. And if we just scroll through here, you could see for yourself that the options you have available to you are really quite phenomenal. You even have with Gigi, personal development, she's going to help you plan your meals. She can help you with your workouts. I mean, this is incredible stuff. You know, it really is covering all the bases here. Cold calling. If you do cold calling, Millie here is going to help you write scripts for your cold calls. I mean, it is really, really fantastic stuff. So let's go ahead now and take a look at automations. And so you can see here that these two here are still in beta, but we do have the social media auto poster. Let's go ahead and click on that. And we could set this up. We haven't set this up yet, but with the social media auto poster, we can write content automatically, create posts from images, and post automatically. I mean, this is incredible stuff, and you can go through that and get that all set up. That's something that we're going to be doing here shortly. And this is just an amazing time-saving tool, and also just as a way to blast out information to your audience that's going to be useful. And again, Sintra is going to tailor its responses based on what your business is. And the information that you provide is just going to help to really get those responses dialed in that much more. So let's go ahead and take a look at Brain AI. And this is where we can answer our guided questions. And with the Brain AI, this is essentially the brain of your account with Sintra. So when you respond to Sintra over a period of time, this is where you're going to get a lot of the information that you say. It's all going to show up here, and it's going to give you an idea, a bird's eye view of all of the different little facts about your business that Sintra is keeping along the way. So again, answer those guided questions, you know, spend some time. I would say the first month with Sintra is going to be the most important, where that's when Sintra is really going to get to know what your needs are, and you can answer these questions. You can go through all of the different bots and really start dialing it in to whatever your needs are. Let's take a look here at this option, and here we could see that we have all of our chats. The history of our chats is all going to show up here. So that's really useful as well. I really can't say enough good about what Sintra is doing. Again, I've looked at a lot of different AI tools that are out there, and some of them are very useful. Some of them are kind of gimmicky, but I would say that in my opinion, Sintra is really doing something special. I would highly recommend, if you are starting your business or you're a business owner and maybe you're having some struggles and you just want to get some perspective, you want to get some advice on what you can do, try Sintra out. It's fantastic. And one of the amazing things too is if you are signed up, if you click on this little present over here on the corner, then you can actually give and get 1 month free of Sintra. So if you share Sintra, both you and your friend will get 1 month free when they join Sintra. So you can copy and share this code, and that is a really nice way of being able to help with the subscription fees and make sure that the word is getting out. And if you have anybody that you know who would benefit from something like this, send them that code. So let's go ahead and leave it at that. Again, if you want to support the channel, find that link in the description and click on that, and we would greatly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.